Let's talk about whether you're starting your book in the wrong place, because a lot of people do, and it's very easy to have happen. I'm Shirley Jump, a New York Times, USA Today, Publishers Weekly, Wall Street Journal, and Amazon best-selling author of 85 books in 24 countries. I've been teaching writing for 30 years and can't wait to show you what I know. So, how do you know if you're starting your book in the wrong place? Is the pace lagging? Is the reader saying, I don't know what's going on here? Or are you feeling like, well, this has been done before, or I'm bored, or when am I going to get to the action? That's a big sign that you're starting in the wrong place. I would learn to listen to my gut because my gut will tell me that this feels like a little slow or a little boring, or maybe there should be more action here. And the other thing you want to look at too is whether this is the right character to start with. Is this the character you want your reader to imprint with and bond with? And that's the one you want to start the book with because the reader has to build a relationship very, very quickly in this world of busy social media shorts and reels. You need them to bond with that character in like sentences. So if you're starting with a whole lot of backstory and history and, characters wandering around thinking, that's definitely the wrong place. You want to start with something that is more active and engaging and starts building that bond with the reader right away.